Today we are going to make sex on the driveway. Well, we're going to make it, not do it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get some ice in this glass. So I'm going to get this little ice spillage there. It's an ice casualty. All right. A little bit more. All right. First thing's going to go into sex on the driveway is 2 ounces of vodka. Use whatever vodka you like. This is called Freeze. It is a very inexpensive yet very delicious vodka. So that's what we're using today. Then we're going to use 1 ounce of peach schnapps. I'm going to use this side. Perfect. All right. Then we're going to use some orange carousel. And we want it to be blue. Some nice blue orange carousel. And we're going to use 1 ounce of that as well. Perfect. So you want that pretty blue color. You know what I noticed? I haven't made any blue drinks. Okay. So it was time to make something blue. All right, I'm going to get that stirred up. Then we're going to take some soda of your choice. I'm going to use some 7-Up. We're going to fill that a little bit. And then I'm just going to top it off with some more ice. Okay, like so. And then I have a sugared orange. It's just a dried sugared orange with my little skull guy here. And we're going to put that in. Yum. All right, it is ready to go. So now we're going to do a little tasty taste test here. Cheers. That's super good. It's delicious. Yeah, I like this a lot. This is really good. This is sex on the driveway. Well, sex in the driveway? Sex on the driveway? It's sex somewhere in the driveway. And it's delicious. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Cheers.